Hey, my name is He, and I represent the lean canvas for Endpoint Securities companies. So, Endpoint Securities companies is offering a wireless intrusion detection systems, or WIDS, or basically, the company provide the securities protections for wireless devices in industrial, commercial, or home environments. So the specific technologies of these companies is about using a device natural radio frequencies signal as a fingerprint, and which can help to uniquely identify or authenticate each device. And an interesting point is the companies were created and derived from a research from Notre Dame related to signal classifications. So next, let's talk about the endpoint security lean canvas. So start with the customer segments. So customer segment runs from businesses such as commercial buildings, chemical industry, oil and gas, manufacturing, and healthcare. And it's even also include individual with their own home network environments with IoT device, or who want to add one more protection layer to their network. So the company does not provide specific information about the largest or their current customer segment, but I believe for the lean canvas, the early adopters can be individual levels, where endpoint can easily access, connect with these segments, and can quickly receive feedback for their products. So what are the problem of these customers? So the problem of customer involves cybersecurity risk, such as hackers want to crack into customer network environments, then try to steal data and control customer device. Another problem of customers are about difficulties in implementing any protection technologies for network environments because of compatibilities of different types of device and network, and they even have to replace devices if they want to add one more layer of protections. So this causes a burden for the customers when they try to improve the security for their network. So then this is when the unique value proposition of Endpoint can help to address that. It is a technology for fixed and wireless device validation based on radio frequency signals. And this technology is exclusive license to Endpoint, or basically the high-level concept of the technologies is wireless routers with security protection validation layers. So how these technologies can address the customer problems? First, its main goal is to provide another security protection to the customer network environments. Thus, can protect devices from cybersecurity attack. Additionally, instead of other traditional security protection approach, it provides an easy integration to existing network pipeline without replacing any part or configuration of devices. About channel, which are how they can connect to their customers. They do that through advertising their technologies via website. Moreover, one interesting channel is through conferences and competitions, where they attend competition to present their products and connect to their potential customers. So in addition, they also partner with network providers, and these companies will also advertise their technologies. About the revenue structures, they have two main revenue streams, which are direct sales to individual, businesses, and organizations. And another way is about licensing the technologies. Since they hold exclusive license of technologies, they can have another revenue stream through this way for anyone who want to use and adopt their technologies. So about the cost structures, it include the product developments, researching, and prototyping costs, marketing expenses via social media, travel expenses to conference or competitions, and it also can be counted in marketing expenses, and salary for employees. So how to define the progress of the company for the lean canvas? The key metrics segment include three parts, which are numbers of license they can provide to companies or even individual, the success of the systems, like how many attacks they can prevent, and number of sales to their customers. So the last part is about the unfair advantage of the endpoint security companies. Beside the increased security protections, its main unfair advantage is the technology's feasibilities of adoptions. When unlike other competitors, the system can easily integrate it and run in parallel with existing system. Moreover, it can prevent the hackers or attack to enter the network instead of like detecting them after they are already in the network. So the next point I want to talk about is endpoint security's value proposition canvas. So we have two parts, including customer segments and profile and startup perspective. Let's start with customer segment and profile on the right. For the job, there are any issue that customers are trying to solve, including tasks and needs that they want to satisfy. And in this case, they are eliminate cybersecurity risk and integrate security validation to existing network structures. For the pain, there are things that annoy, bothers, or create difficulties for customers during and after the task and job done. And in this case, there are loss of man-in-the-middle attack to the network, difficulties in integrating security system into existing network, and the last one is the customer received notification about the attack too late before taking actions. So for the gain, there are outcome and benefit that customer expect, require, or even surprised by. And in this case, they include secure network system, do not let the attack happens, like and easily maintain and integrate new security protection to existing framework. And they also require to have low cost of security protection implementations. On the left hand side is a view of startup solutions. So let's start with the product and service sections. As mentioned before, the products of Endpoint is the fixed and wireless device validation technologies based on radio frequency signals. So the pain relievers is how that this product alleviate or resolve the customer need. So they include reduce cybersecurity risk, increase the network efficiencies, and the last one is eliminate the difficulties in implementing security platform into the network. So it means that instead of the existing way of protections, the traditional ways is just to have to replace or like modify a lot of part in the existing framework, and endpoint securities can provide alternative solution that can eliminate these difficulties. So the gain creators is how this product and service can benefit for the customers, and in this case, the 2 point are scalability abilities when user can easily expand the security protection with different type of approach. And in addition, Endpoint can help users save costs for other activities when users do not need to modify any part of the existing network or spend a lot of costs in maintaining this pipeline. So there are some interesting points about Endpoint securities that I want to mention. So they are Notre Dame collaboration and research and commercial products. So I find it's really interesting when it's actually derived from research collaborated with Notre Dame about signal classifications. And the next point is like how they can convert from a research projects into like commercialize that research into products, like and how to build a company from that. And this is really intrigues because as a grad student, I am also like interested in like bring my current research into like real life application that can help a lot of people. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.